The Casbah of Algiers is a historic Ottoman-era urban core. Built along a steep hillrun overlooking the Mediterranean, it forms a dense labyrinth of herlies. Notre Dame d'Afrique is a hilltop basilica overlooking the Bay of Algiers. Built in Neo-Byzantine style between 1858 and 1872, it stands as a site of pilgrimage history. Djamaa el Djazair is the third largest mosque in the world. Completed in 2019, its towering minaret rises 265 meters above Algiers, dominating the skyline. Ketchaoua Mosque is an Ottoman-era mosque originally built in 1612. During the French colonial period, it was converted into a cathedral before being restored as a mosque. El Jadid Mosque, also known as the New Mosque, is a 17th-century Ottoman structure built around 1660 and remains an important example of early Ottoman religious architecture in the city. Ali Bitchin Mosque was built in 1622 by the Ottoman Admiral Ali Bitchin within the Casbah of Algiers. Its compact design includes a distinctive minaret and prayer hall. Towering over Algiers, the Martyrs Memorial stands as a concrete symbol of Algeria's hard-won independence, built in 1982 to honor those who gave their lives for freedom.
The Bardo National Museum of Prehistory and Ethnography is housed in a former Ottoman palace. It contains extensive collections of prehistoric artifacts and ethnographic objects from across North Africa.
The Museum of Modern Art of Algiers showcases contemporary Algerian and international art. Housed in a historic building, it features paintings, sculptures, poetry. The Jardin du Hamma is a colonial-era botanical garden established in 1832. It contains extensive collections of tropical and Mediterranean plants, palm avenues, plots. El Madania Zoo is a hillside zoo overlooking Algiers. Its terraced enclosures and pathways wind across the slope, offering views of the city and sea. El Arasi Hotel is a modernist skyline building overlooking Algiers. Completed in the 1970s, its bold concrete and glass structure rises prominently on a hill. The Algiers Central Post Office is a neo-Moorish architectural landmark built in 1910. Its ornate facade stands as a central symbol of colonial-era civic architecture. Palais de Rais, also known as Bastion 23, is an Ottoman waterfront complex of palaces and fortifications, built in the 16th-17th harbor. Khazar Bey is an Ottoman palace that served as a royal residence. Its architecture includes grand halls, courtyards, and decorative elements typical of Ottoman design. Sidi Abderrahman Mosque is a religious site and zawiya located on the Algiers coastline. It serves as a shrine dedicated to the Saint Sufi tradition and local spiritual heritage. The Algiers Opera House is a performing arts venue with a grand auditorium and stage facilities. Its architecture blends modern design with opera's conventional elements. The 5 July 1962 Stadium is a major sports venue named after Algeria's independent state. Its large oval structure and stands host national and international events. Sablettes Promenade is a seaside leisure area along the Algiers coastline. It stretches beside sandy beaches in the Mediterranean, offering open-air space for relaxation and views in the capital. El Hamma district represents a colonial and modern mix in Algiers. Tree-lined avenues feature just the city's transition from colonial urban fabric near the botanical garden. El Hamma district represents a colonial and modern mix in Algiers. Tree-lined avenues feature just the city's transition from colonial urban fabric near the botanical garden. Bouzareya is an elevated district offering sweeping views over the Bay of Algiers. Perched on the hills above the city, it provides panoramic vista, strategic and scenic landmark in the capital. The People's Palace is a state events venue in Algiers used for official ceremonies and receptions. Its grand architecture includes formal halls, courtyards, and reception rooms designed for national functions. The Government Palace is the executive seat of Algiers. It houses key administrative offices and serves as the center of governmental operations. Its imposing architecture features. The University of Algiers is a major academic institution founded in 1879. Its historic campus is scholars. The architecture colonial design with later expansions forming the intellectual core of the capital.